And the tour continues, fabulous. Very interesting man. Now, Dan obviously used to model in his younger years.
Thanks, Greg. Yeah, appreciate that.
And now, Dan, what do you do now? Now you've packed up
sales for the Bradman Group.
Right, and what is it that you do, please?
We manufacture packaging machinery, wide range of equipment. I mean, if you look along the back wall there, you can see the photographs of all types of machines we make, from flow wrapping equipment, which is film wrapping, primary, secondary, cartoning machinery, case packing, shrink wrapping, palletizing. So, complete line from start to finish. We can do everything here on the packaging side.
Hang on, you just said you could do anything. I'm not challenging you, I'm just checking.
That's okay. So anything that's in packaging, pretty much, from horizontal flow wrap packaging through cartoning to case packing and shrink wrapping, palletizing, and there's lots of machines in between that range, but that's the general stuff we do. Yeah.
Is everything you do bespoke, or does it? I should imagine it's all tailored to.
Some bespoke, some fully developed, and some of it is heavily customized. So everybody's got different specification, different requirements, different product, different factory layout. So we just customize everything to suit. And we work with a lot of the big multinationals across the UK. I mean, you would have seen our kit in Premier Foods in Stoke on the pies they were packing there, and also Eat Natural, the cereal bar company.
Oh, I like them.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, the owners of that cook really well. Did you know that?
You met Leanne, didn't you? Yes.
Yeah. Have you been in the staff canteen?
Yes, I have. Yeah, yeah. So they are some of our customers, but there's loads of other companies throughout the UK that we're working with, and throughout the world. So we export probably 50% of what we make. A lot goes out to India. Over there we can see a sign. We got the Queen's Award for industry export, and that was in 2022.
How many countries do you go out to?
An awful lot of countries, yeah. Pretty much all Commonwealth type countries. Been into Europe, but most of it's Commonwealth, so India, Middle East. We've got a factory in the US as well, but we're a British company. Our oldest constituent company is 1948. So just over 75 years, making packaging machinery, which we developed because we do a lot of confectionery packaging. So things like Kit Kat and that sort of products and confectionery.
You're obviously good at it. I don't mind if you show off. What makes you guys so good at it?
I think it's because we can do so many types of machines, from small businesses who want small hand-fed machines right up to fully automatic systems. But we can do process to pallet, that's our sort of mantra. So we can do right to the end of the line. So people can come to one company, one contract, one project manager, and work on a project from start to finish.
Is there a typical time that a project lasts? No. It depends on the trickery, the size, what is it?
How long the project takes from gestation, you mean, from start to finish? Can be years, can be 6 months, but generally it's about 6 months to a year before we get through those sort of projects.
Even though technology develops and changes over the years, have the issues and the problems that need to be solved pretty much always been the same, or is there chucked so many new ones?
There's new ones around materials, removal of plastics, all the ecology side of it. So that is what we're heavily focusing. This machine here is using a sealing technology that allows what we call monofilms, things without layers and without foil, to be sealed, heat seal at high speeds. So it's moving along with the challenges and taking on new technologies, using the technology that's available to us to develop the best project we can.
I need to know, because I'm a bit of a geek about this stuff. Right. You said it seals them fast. How fast?
So one of the fastest lines we got running in North America is about 1,100 bars a minute, chocolate bars a minute, per flow wrapper. And they got 7 flow wrappers on that line. So you imagine the output speeds. Very high rates, very high rates.
Plastic has been a big part of what we do for a long, long time. How difficult is it to innovate? I mean, good for you for doing it.
Yeah, I mean, certain things, quick wins, easy wins, things you can change, and we are making changes there, but some of them are harder because obviously you still got shelf life, you still got to distribute products around the country, fresh food. That's where the challenge is using things like papers, which don't give you that sort of hermetic seal. So I don't think the challenges have been overcome yet, but films have been developed. We don't make the packaging ourselves, we just make the machinery, but they are being developed, and we are moving with those companies to develop machinery that can accept it and still run at the speeds that companies want to run at, because at the end of the day it's about throughput and efficiency at most factories.
If you want to stay as market leaders, if you want to stay as a market leader, how important is it that you watch all innovation developing?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we've used some of the new technology when it comes available on the market. We keep an eye on it. We have a team of people who continually go around monitoring and looking at what's available. We've got some projects going through at the moment which are highly technical and very specialised. We've done a lot for non-food. We do things like We do COVID testing through COVID. We currently produce the machinery for just the NHS bowel cancer testing kits that gets posted out. And things like that, there's a lot of new technology in those bits of kit. Not all ours, we're shared with other technology companies doing the cameras recognition, and obviously the company themselves managing the project. But they're quite interesting and great projects for the UK.
Is it just me, or are these guys really cool? I mean, it's just me.
Really?
Are you very, very proud of what you do?
Oh, very much so, yeah. Yeah, I've been doing this at Bradman Lake for 32 years now, and yeah, sort of man and boy almost, and yeah, really enjoy it. But we go to different factories, different places, meet different people, different industries, get to meet yourself as well. So yeah, well, can't be better, can it, really?
I think there's something actually sadly lacking in your company here. From a layman's point of view, I'm looking around.
Fresh product to eat.
No, where are your snacks?
Yeah, as I said, fresh product to eat. We have got some snacks, but they're not very exciting. But yeah, so we'll get some snacks. If you want to pop around later on, there'll be some ready, okay?
Greg Wallace with his finger on the pulse of the important issues.